guys, this is what it's like getting off the cruise ship. And I'm in between two ships, and ahead is Carnival Jubilee. To my right is Carnival Legend, and to my left is MSC World America. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Gosh, y'all, they got a lot of ships out here. Hey. Baby.
You see it, ain't it?
Woo.
That's amazing though.
This ship is rocking, y'all. Look at that.
Boy, that shit, no, it rocking.
Oh my God. Ooh, wee.
Yeah, look how the wind rocking that ship. It's so windy.
Just had an idea. I want a massage, so I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere to get a body massage. They said healing. Where? Ain't nobody doing any but massages. I don't see.
Oh no, what's the land in the chair?
I need a massage.
We was on the alley yesterday with a massage.
Alright guys, so we are here. We're gonna try El Far. We had this restaurant here, Costa. It's called El Far Beer and Grill. So we're gonna try some, we're gonna get us some beer and we're gonna get us some water. Oh, they done already brought it. So I got me some water. And my honey got a beer. So we're gonna try some of their food, guys. Look at this view though.
What? See, it's right there.
El Faro. Isn't that how you pronounce it?
El Faro, yeah.
Yes, guys, this port is really crowded. It's a lot of, I think it's like 4 ships in port. So that's probably anywhere from around
About 40,000.
about 40, 50,000 people on this island. Yeah, we done walked and walked, so we kind of got a little appetite. Built up a little appetite. How it feel to you, baby?
Oh, it's beautiful. The weather is perfect. I love this weather.
We thought the weather, we thought it was going to be a little bit cold because back home it's cold, so we thought it was going to be cold here. But it's really nice. Really nice. It's not too high. Perfect weather. So if you ever want to come on a cruise during this time of the year, it's a great time of the year to come on a cruise. not forget, guys, the reason for the season. Got another day before Christmas. Well, 2 more days before Christmas.
1 more day.
Today the 23rd. December 23rd.
Yeah.
24th, 25th. Yep. We got 2 more days, John. 2 more days. Just to get dead skin. Y'all, look. The fishies.
It's piranha.
Piranhas? Oh, God. Guys, it look like it's about to rain, so we are making our way back to the ship. What do y'all thought about those fishies eating? What do you think about that? So much activity, getting ready to go back to the ship.
Clouds making up. I think it's so windy out here. Oh boy. See, I was rocking those ships before. I got out there.
So guys, when you come back on the ship, you have to go through this. They check your items out to make sure you're not bringing anything that you don't have no business. And they check you out, guys. And you put your items in there, in the bag. Camera has to go in too. Chilling by the pool, guys. Feeling nice out here. Look like it's about to rain though. How does it feel? How the weather feel to you, babe?
Well, it's nice.
So guys,
Windy.
they're getting ready for a snow party. So we just laying around by the beach, by the pool. And we're getting ready to watch them do this snow party. Let you see, guys. Snow party starts at 4:30. What time is it now? 4:20.
your kick on. Let's go, everybody. Clip, 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 clip.
Oh, he said it's gonna rain?
I don't know. I said I don't know if it's gonna rain because today was something yesterday.
Right.
They canceled it.
Okay. We were right here today. We were sitting on the lounge here. Yeah, that's right. And we were watching them get to the snow fall thing today. We went to that.